What is the profession of your father?
My father will do business, computer business.
My father does business.
My father does business.
Very good. Who spends more time? They are the winner.
Yes, of course.
Next participant, I think no need to explain about this one. Are you comfortable? Clear? Next participant, name is Sardar. Okay. Introduce yourself.
My name is Sinchana Sardar. I am studying in 8th class. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Okay, Sinchana, am I right? Sinchana already rules, already I told to Srinidhi, right? And now, let's start. What's your name?
My name is Sinchana.
What's your father name?
My father name is Umesh.
What is the profession of your father?
My father will do business, computer business.
My father does business.
My father does business.
Business, okay. Does he know Kannada?
Of course.
Yes. Now, does your mother speak English?
Of course.
Yes. How is Kumareshwar school?
It's good, sir.
Is it good?
Yes, of course. It's
Out, go. Very good. Who spends more time? They are the winner. They are the winner. Shivanand. Class. Okay, I start the question. If I start the question from helping verbs am, is, or was, were, have, has, you should not answer yes or no, leaving these. Okay. If suppose I ask question WH, you can answer me. No problem. Shall we start? Okay. Shall we start? How are you?
I am fine.
How is your mother?
My mother is good.
How is your father?
My father was good.
Why did you join Kumareshwar school?
Because of studying.
Why did you join? Yes, exactly. Correct. Continue. Is it raining outside?
Of course.
Why it is raining?
Because of cloud.
Because of cloud. Very good. Was it raining in your village?
Of course.
Yes, very good. Where do you come from?
I am from Crickety.
Why did you join Kumareshwar?
For studying and learning.
For studying and?
Learn.
Okay. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay. Why?
Because English, I joined English medium school because I love English.
Yes. Is it difficult?
No, sir.
Very good. Well played. I think he spends more time than all other students. Let's start with another guy. Who wants to participate first? Siddhika. Claps. No, tomorrow. Today is ours. Do not procrast. Means, come. Okay, Siddhika, already you know the rules. What's your name?
My name is Siddhika.
Why do you join Kumareshwar school?
For learning,
Okay. And is it good?
of course.
Yes. And look at outside. It is not raining. It is not raining. Out. Huh? Mike? Might be. Any other words you can use. But related to that. Might, you can use maybe, might be, or I think so, I hope so. Are you getting it? You note down these all words. It's to computer. Okay? But you cannot tell like this. Is it raining outside? I don't know. She knows. Hingal mata. Got it? Huh? Okay, out. Go. Next participant. Okay, Samarth Bhubanar, welcome to the competition. I think you know all the rules. All the rules. Keep quiet. Stop. What's your name?
My name is Samarth Bhumanor.
Why are you coming to Kumareshwar school?
To learn English.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is to play volleyball.
Yes. Where is your hobbies? Where is your hobby?
In my mind.
Yes. Very good. And what's your father profession?
My father is a teacher.
Your father is a teacher. Okay. Is teaching difficult?
No, sir.
Ouch. Very good. Go. Aditi, welcome to the competition. People say English is easy, but when you talk, it becomes very difficult. Is it true or false?
False.
Very good, very good. Very good. What's your father name?
Siddhaya.
Okay. What is his profession?
He is a lawyer.
Is he good? Is he good?
Of course.
Yes, very good. What's the school name?
Sri Kumareshwar English Medium School.
Where it is?
Near Karikatti Road.
Belgaum district is.
Belgaum District, Saudati Taluk, Karikatti.
Okay. How many letters English alphabet has?
26 letters.
Why it has?
Don't know.
Don't know. Don't know. Very good. Is it raining outside?
Maybe.
Does your brother hit you?
Of course.
Does your father hit you?
I think so.
Does your mother kick you?
Of course.
Does your friend hates you?
Maybe.
Maybe. Very good. And spending more time claps. If she spends more time, it's claps. If any of your friend spending more time here means I'm becoming loser. Are you getting? Your friend is becoming winner. Because I am not able to beat her. Okay? Is it the third bell?
I think so.
Yes. Why it is the third bell?
Third period starts
Okay, okay. Where is fort in Saudati?
near Mamani's school.
Yes. Where is Taj Mahal?
Agra.
Where is Yamuna Nadi?
Don't know.
Yes. Why it is there?
I don't think
I
so.
don't think so. Okay, very good. Where is Bengaluru?
In Karnataka.
Did you complete your syllabus?
I think so.
Did you complete your fair book?
Maybe.
Have you finished your computer course?
No.
Claps. Out. Very good.